guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would truly help our channel. Happy reading! Hey everyone, this is chapter 28. Let's start reading. Chuyan. Oh, who you? Sino yun? Please don't trouble Shuang anymore. She came to me crying and upset. Ay, nagdadrama ang ate mo. The video in the class group chat from last time embarrassed her greatly. Now, deliberately challenging her and proclaiming that you'll defeat her, it's really hurtful for her. Ito na naman itong mga taong to. Especially from her own younger sister. Ikaw pa naman yung gustong-gusto ng first host. Tinulungan ka pa niya para mabuhay ka tapos ganyan yung gagawin mo. Oh, so sure one to you to complain. Lou, do you feel sorry for her? Are you fond of her? Are you pursuing her? We're all high school students. What do you mean by fond of her? We, talaga lang ha? I don't have the kind of impure thoughts about Shuang that you imagine. She saved me, and I don't want anyone to bully her. What a nerd. It's obvious that Shuang is keeping you as a backup, and you're wholeheartedly protecting your so-called savior. Lou, firstly, having a crush on someone doesn't constitute impure thoughts. Correct. Tama ka, te. Ganda niya dito, no? Ganda pala siya pag naka-ponytail yung hair niya. Secondly, you say she saved you, but I also saved you last time. It's not the same. You did help me last time. But when Shuang saved me, she risked her life to climb over the balcony, and I was on the brink of death. It's like she used her life to save mine. Shakes. This stubborn nerd, good looking on the outside but not too bright in the head. Well, at least he's honest and knows how to repay a favor. In that regard, I gotta forgive him for being blinded by Shuang. Wala tayong magagawa. I don't want to argue with you. When the exam results are posted, you'll know everything. And here comes the doble cara girl. What does Shuyan mean? Has she found evidence to prove that I've been deceiving Lu Jingyao? Okay, close. Yan, have you had dinner? I've made some soup. It's really delicious. It'll be ready soon. So that's their mother? Sure. I'll eat before I go out. Lalabas na naman siya. Saan na naman kaya siya pupunta? Where are you going? When? Yan. Ito na naman tong doble karang babaeng to. Sinusundan ba siya? What? We need to talk. Ayan na naman. Threaten ka, girl. Ha? May patok-tok kang nalalaman. Threaten yarn. Kawawa ka naman. It's not convenient here with so many people. Come with me to a quieter place. Ano naman kayang plano nitong babaeng to? At talagang sa taas, ha? Ano, magpapatihulog ka para sabihin mong tinulak ka niya? There's no one here. You can talk. Sabihin, tatalon ka dyan, tapos sabihin mo, tinulak ka niya kasi nagsiselos. Julian, why are you so lucky? Lucky what? You can make your own, destiny. Bakit kasi nang-aagaw ka? Destiny niya kasi yun. Sa kanya dapat mapupunta talaga lahat ng inaagaw mo ngayon. Because good people tend to have good luck. Have you heard the saying, evil can't defeat good? Wapak! Sampal sa'yo yan, girl. Did you find the evidence of you saving Lu Jingyao? Ay, alam niya talaga. Did you overhear my conversation with Lu Jingyao? So what if I really did? Yan, is dinner at home tasty today? The soup I added ingredients to. Is it good? Did you tamper with the food? Anong ginawa niya? Yes, I've checked. There are no surveillance cameras here and no one will come up during the boxing match. Later, you fall off the rooftop and it has nothing to do with anyone else. It's all because you secretly took drugs. Ay, may pa ganun ka, te? Ha? Grabe, evil. Ang demonita talaga tong babaeng to. 7? 7? What is 7 doing? Asan si 7? Ngayong kailangan niya. It's reacting when I actually need it. Retreats. Are you holding your phone to record something or seeking help? Of course. Napaka-demonita talaga nitong babaeng to. Ay, nakuha niya pa. Ano ba naman yan, girl? Save it. You were originally minding your own business. Smash. But since you choose to go against me and push me into a corner, I can't spare you. Blame yourself. Oh my gosh. What's happening to her? Napaka-demonita talaga tong babaeng to. I'm feeling a bit strange in my body. Bakit nagpunta ka pa sa corner? Bita ka sa gitna. Napaka-demonita talaga nitong babaeng to. Yan. The drug should be taking effect now, right? Are you feeling the urge to party and dance? Climb onto the railing and stand at the highest point. Ba't niya nauutusan? Ganun siya ka-high? Ano kayang nilagay niyang drugs, ano? Then take a graceful leap down. Ano kayang ginamit niya para magkaganyan si ano? Para magkaganyan si... Pangalan nito? Juyan. Sama ng babaeng ito, no? How beautiful and delightful that would be. Ay, nanggigigil ako sa'yo, Ten. Nakakainis ka. Talaga naman. Alright, tignan natin ang mangyayari in the next chapter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.